I'm Atlas Opia, and I'm here to help you change the state of your energetic field so you can add energy you desire into your system and remove any energy that is creating a disimbalance in your life. The entire universe is one large quantum field, and in there is energy which holds unique information. But you also have an energetic field, and whatever energy is in there holds a certain information that will manifest into your daily lives. So the key to your growth is not in putting a band-aid on the problem, but going for the source of what is creating the patterns of experiences you're facing in your life. Keep watching and I'll show you a lot more, and I have a surprise for you. One of the keys to experiencing more power and pleasure in your life is to harness the characteristics of your divine feminine and masculine energy. The energy field which creates matter is a good representation of this. The field itself is a representation of divine feminine energy. It is receptive, fertile, and the divine masculine energy is any information that you put into the feminine field, and then the feminine field will reproduce that information. It's kind of similar to your manifestation process. You first decide what you want. That's the information, that's the structure, that's the divine masculine. And you allow the universe and your system to bring in any experiences and situations that can align with where you're going. The entire universe is a network of information. It works similarly to technology. When we give technology a command, it just does it. So if you would like to change the energy in your quantum field, you first communicate with it and you tell it to remove or add specific information. The only thing that gets in the way is our logical mind trying to create third-dimensional evidence to something happening in a dimension above its parameters. Keep watching and I'll tell you more about the process. As you communicate with your own energetic field, if you would like to add an energy that is going to lead you to a greater good, then you open up a portal which acts as a doorway so that particular frequency can come from a place in the universe that has it into your own system. Now, if you would like to remove an energy that's existing in your field, then you would create a doorway that acts as a vacuum which can remove this energy from your system into some place in the universe. I'm going to provide you with the exercises you need to actually be able to open up a portal for the energy you want and a vacuum to remove the energy you would no longer like to associate with. But before that, I want to tell you that your imagination is the key to all of this. It is how your mind can connect to the information in the quantum field. And the quantum field is a layer of energy which creates what you experience in reality. The metaphysical world creates a physical world. So it's very important to know how to do this. Allow the soul to lead the mind. The mind is confined to its own programmed beliefs. So when we're doing work in the metaphysical world so we can expand our power on earth, you have to allow your heart to trust what you're coming into, and then do the exercise by using your imagination, and then later explain to your mind what actually happened so you can reprogram how your mind interfaces with yourself and the universe around you. I'm now going to jump into the exercises that you've been waiting for in this video. But remember, this is an outline, And I'm going to bring you into a new level of awareness, but sometimes I need more time for me to help you get there, which is why I'm inviting you to my next online event. Before we go into adding empowering energy or removing disruptive energy, we have to learn how to tap into the energy field of our own system. So I want you to start by breathing in and out of your nose. Start to watch the breath move in and out of your lungs. Slow the rate of breathing down, and then feel into your heart, and then feel into your body, and then feel into the energy field that is an inch above your skin. As you breathe in and out, you'll start to feel the energy that is yours, which is beyond the body. And then as you keep moving forward, expand your breath a foot out each time until you feel the energy field of yours that is 10 feet around you in each direction. Could be more or less, but we're going to use that for this exercise. So once you feel into your energy field, we're going to start the exercise. I can teach you how to add the energy you want to your actual system. So as you're feeling into your energy field and you're breathing in and out of this entity of intelligence that surrounds you, that really is emerging from your soul, you're going to think of the energy that you want to bring in. You're going to gain details from your imagination. You're going to feel it all over your system and become it. And then I want you to use your imagination, which is your connection to the quantum field, to see a doorway or circular portal opening up to bring the energy through. But you're going to imagine the energy as a golden ball of light or any shape or color that resonates with you. Then you see it go into your field and open and disperse like paint in water and move through every part of it, including your cells and DNA, as you go along with the journey and become the energy and take it where it needs to go. Now, to remove the energy in your field that you no longer resonate with, first feel into your energy field, which is the ocean of energy and information which surrounds you, that is you. And then I want you to think of that energy, feel into it completely, and then use your imagination to locate where that energy is in your body or in your field. And I want you to ask yourself this: have you spent enough time processing this emotion and giving it the right to exist so you can learn from it? If you haven't, then do that before you try to remove the energy, because it'll just come up again. If you have, continue the exercise. And as you feel into the energy, imagine a doorway opening up that sucks energy through, a circular vacuum, if you will. Communicate with the vacuum the same way you would communicate with the portal, and tell the vacuum to remove the energy you're identifying. Okay? Now, it's very important when you're working with portals or vacuums, tell the doorway what to do, but make sure you allow it to know it's there for your greatest good and for your health and your prosperity and your vitality, and to not let anything unsupportive come through it. Cheers to you for making it this far in the video. I honor your curiosity and your bravery to go in the direction where the treasure of your soul is found. All of this was an outline, and you can learn from it. But oftentimes our soul knows the information, but our mind needs more details so it can fully digest how to do these things. So I'm inviting you to my next online portal of expansion, where I'll walk you through each one of these subjects with a gentle and clarifying way, so you can truly not only understand your own system better, but come into a power that has been dormant in your life. And you know that when you're coming into more of this spiritual knowledge, there is information that can truly get you to where you want to go. This is the new wave of spirituality. Welcome home, Starseed. I hope to see you at the next online event. Let me know if you have any questions. And also during the event, you'll be able to download a recording. You'll get a download of 3 diagrams, galactic quantum healing towards the end of it. You'll be able to ask any question you need, and you'll fully get that place of comfort and safety. All right, bye.